lost time injury frequency rate and lost time injury severity rate. One of the common questions we ask is the difference between these two, and I'm going to explain that briefly in this video. Talking about lost time injury is about the time lost when someone gets involved in an injury and is unable to resume back to his normal duty after 24 hours. When you have lost time injury frequency rate, you're talking about the number of lost time injury you have in the workplace. When you have a particular accident and resulted in someone or a number of persons not resuming back to work after 24 hours, that accident is 1. If you have another accident, that accident is 2. If it involves 2 persons, 3 persons, you add them together. That talks about the lost time injury frequency rate. Now, if you're talking about the lost time injury severity rate, you're talking about how severe. That will give you a better insight on how deep the accident was. Someone can get involved in an accident and will resume after 3 days. Another person can get in an accident, in another form of accident, and will resume after a week. Another accident might require a number of persons not resuming after a month, 2 months. So that will let us know how deep, how severe the accident is. For lost time injury severity rate, you are also calculating the number of days the person spent, or the people who get involved in the accident, who got injured, spent at home before resuming back to work. That is, if they will resume back to work. So you calculate those number of days. That will tell you how severe the accident is. But for lost time injury frequency rate, they are only looking at the number of persons that got involved in the accident. And that tells you the difference between lost time injury severity rate and lost time injury frequency rate. Lost time injury frequency rate and lost time injury severity rates are different because the severity rate will tell you how deep the accident was. For someone to have spent 1 month and another person spent 3 days for different accident, tells you that, okay, this accident that someone spent 10 days at home is actually more severe than that of 3 days. Yeah, we know that there can be difference in recovery rate, but to give us an insight to how severe that particular accident is. And that is my explanation. What do you think? Do you think there's another thing you need to add? Please kindly drop it in the comment section and let us learn together. Remember that together we can always be better. It's another episode of Settlement with Aliola. See you some other time. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and I hope this add value to you. If you think it is very important for everyone to learn about this, kindly share to others. And remember to subscribe for more health and safety tips. It's another episode of Safety Moment with Aliola. Thank you and God bless you.